everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm with the lovely Laura Whitehurst. She's a makeup artist. I will put the link in the description. It's Laura Whitehurst MUA over on Instagram. So go and check her out. She does some good Halloween looks as well. So I'm going to be showing you a style today that's like a braid. More interesting though because you can pull it dead big and you can turn it into a bun. So let's get started. Okay, so to prep Laura's hair, I've used Lalas prep tool. It's like a mini crimper, and I've just put that all the way through the hair just to create a little bit of extra volume. Your tummy's just
I know.
You won't have heard that on camera, but it was like a monster. Anyway, that's what I've used to prep Laura's hair with, and yeah, just to create volume and make the style going easier, but it's not essential, guys. So I'm going for a really like snatched high pony, like really straight back. It really suits Laura, but by all means you can soften this style by doing a softer pony. So I want it to sit quite high on the head. So the way I find it easier, you've probably seen me do this before, is I just divide the hair into two. So I've just divided the hair into two, like that. I'm just going to use a little bit of the Sexy Hair Dry Wax Spray. And I'm just going to work through this top section of hair to start with. And then I'm just taking a back combing brush and really smoothing that hair into this high pony. When you're happy with that ponytail all smoothed out, you're just going to pop a hair tie in. So next we're going to drag the rest of this hair up, and the way I kind of do it is I use my fingers first just to make sure the hair's in the right direction. So that layer's done. And now this layer. And then all of it up. And then again I'm going to go in with the wax spray and the brushes, smooth it all out, and then pop it in another hair tie. So I am just going to cover up this hair tie by taking a small section of hair, winding it around just so it's covered, and then I kind of pinch it round the back. Take a small black elastic, pinch it again, put that elastic in, squidge it down, and there we go. That's all covered. So I've divided the ponytail into two. So rather than like two down that bit, I've divided it that way. And then you're going to take the top ponytail, divide it into two like that. This one comes up and out the way. I'm just clipping that down. And then I'm taking an elastic and just joining these two together. And then we're going to just tease these out. So this is what's going to create the braid look. But because it's held in with elastics, we can go big. And just where Laura's got these little babies coming out here, which is like from a fringe that she had, I'm just going to fasten those down separately with another elastic. And then we're going to go again, so dividing it into two. That one comes up out the way. Clip it out the way. Join these two together. And again, so you hold on and you just tease out. So I just want you to continue this all the way to the ends. So this is the braid that you're left with, guys. So it's just a really exaggerated version. You've pulled it way bigger than you could if it was just in a regular braid or plait. And you can go even wider than that if you want to. So option number two with this style, because you've pulled it so big, look how cute this is. You tell me that this isn't cute. You literally just take it around like that, tuck that little bit in. So I'm just going to get a grip straight in the bun, Catch the hair on the head as well, and then just bend it back in and push. So that's the style finish, guys, or 2 styles. Which one do you prefer? I think I like this one best on Laura with the bun. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.